Meaning of fatalist.
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 Fatalist. A fatalist is someone who believes that all events are predetermined and inevitable. They believe that they have no control over the outcome of their lives, and that their destiny is fixed. This perspective can lead to a passive acceptance of whatever happens, as fatalists see any attempt to change their fate as futile. However, fatalism can also provide a sense of comfort, as it relieves the individual of responsibility for their actions and decisions. Overall, fatalism can result in a resigned and apathetic approach to life.